Where are we going, friends?
5 stars.
Woo! Friendship goals. Woohoo!
Just turn it up a bit. Just crank that up, guys. Maybe it's like loud enough to drown out the screams. Yeah.
Oh my god!
I like how we're like, I hate screaming and everyone's just like...
They're like Loki sound checking. Oh my god! Everybody, gotta live it up to. Oh my god! I'm dying, Casey. Salernos, do 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 do. Had a job downtown, working the servo, do 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 do. Had me waiting in line, literally. Yeah. It is so close. Like, we'll be right there. We'll be right there. Ash will be right there. Ash will be right there. I'm sure. So sure. Oh my god! Yeah.
that you possibly can, but be careful. There's a lot of people standing up in a small space. Don't push too far forward. And if someone is feeling rough, if your friend looks a bit blue, then help him out. Alright, take care of each other right there. So it's been a while, Brisbane. The first time we played in Brisbane, or Bris Vegas. Mainly my dad calls it that, but we played to about 250 people. Looks like there's a few more than that tonight, so thank you for coming out. Thank you. So I wanna be wasting my time alone. So I wanna get so we're taking a long way home.
Here we go.
Drove by all the place we used to hang out getting wasted. I thought about our last kiss, how it felt, the way you tasted. Even though ever after felt fast and faster, yeah. Late night conversations led to complications. Left my heart is in my hand. I've been talking to my friends. The way you take away my breath is something bigger than myself. It's something I don't understand.
concert. That was a sick night. Oh my god. If you ever get the chance to go to 5 Seconds of Summer, a 10 out of 10, 100 out of 10, recommend it. They are so amazing live, and they're just, it's so good. I had the best night of my life. Peace out.